At Farming Smarter, doing the field work is only 10% of the job. For every project, there's extensive planning and consultation to build protocols. And for every data point we collect in the field, there's a whole lot of other work that happens behind the scenes. Each year we grow 5,000 to 10,000 plots at 5 locations between our home base here in Lethbridge, as well as Bow Island, Enchant, Brooks, and Tabor. We specialize in small grains such as wheat, barley, and pulses, including chickpeas, lentils, peas, and faba beans, and also grow staples like canola, as well as seed canola research. We also do a lot of work with specialty crops and novel crops such as flax, hemp, as well as a little bit of more recent work in rice, quinoa, and maybe even potatoes. Like any farming operation, logistics is our biggest bottleneck. We meet regularly in March and April to work out all the details. There's lots of considerations for every research trial, including what's the background fertility, what's the stubble, the land topography, what are the moisture conditions, is this trial going to be dryland or irrigated? What do we know about the pest pressure? Will it have kochia, Roundup canola, buckwheat, or cleavers that we need for the weed trials? What is the likelihood of getting the insect pests or the diseases that we want to actually study? There's also the technical side of setting up workbooks, generating randomizations, doing the product calculations, printing labels, tags, and weighing out all the seed and fertilizer and getting that set up in a way that we can seed it in the randomization that's required. We map out the field layouts with ArcGIS, a powerful software with georeferenced data points that we can input into the tractor monitors and follow with sub-inch GPS accuracy. This allows us to maximize our land usage on land we lease because we can only ever use a quarter to a third of it at one time. The rest of the land is cropped for rotations to buffer out any treatment differences, and so we can have correct stubble for our future needs. We also have lots of prep to do, including seed and fertilizer pickup, ground truthing of trials and locations, and lots of scouting to make sure we have everything just the way we want it come seeding time. Every spring we onboard a dozen or so new students the very first week of May and throw them straight into the field so we can seed over 100 trials within just a few short weeks. On average, that means 5 to 10 trials a day, each one taking anywhere from a half hour to 4 hours or more. And every person plays a part. A good plan and setup can be the difference between getting only 1 or 2 trials done or 10 or more all at once.